What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Prime Biome before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Prime Biome works. What is Prime Biome? Prime Biome is a revolutionary probiotic supplement designed to support both skin and gut health, promoting overall wellness from within. By nurturing the gut microbiome, it stimulates skin cell turnover, replacing older cells with fresh ones, resulting in healthier, more youthful skin. The formula is crafted using high-quality, scientifically tested ingredients known for their purity and effectiveness. Manufactured in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, Prime Biome undergoes rigorous testing and quality control checks to ensure safety and potency. It is completely free of harsh chemicals, additives, stimulants, and GMOs, reducing the risk of side effects or dependency. Each bottle contains 30 easy-to-swallow gummies, offering a convenient and enjoyable way to enhance your daily health routine. Additionally, a dedicated team of medical professionals supervises the entire production process, ensuring that Prime Biome meets the highest standards of quality at every stage. How does Prime Biome work? Prime Biome works by supporting gut health, which in turn directly impacts skin health. The formula contains a powerful blend of probiotics, prebiotics, and antioxidants that work together to balance the gut microbiome. A healthy gut promotes proper nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation, both of which are crucial for maintaining clear, radiant skin. By encouraging skin cell renewal, Prime Biome helps shed old, damaged cells and replaces them with new ones, preventing signs of aging such as fine lines and dullness. It also contains antioxidants that protect skin cells from oxidative stress and UV damage, further enhancing skin's natural glow. Regular use of Prime Biome not only rejuvenates the skin but also alleviates common digestive issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. This dual-action approach ensures that both your gut and skin remain in optimal health, giving you a vibrant, youthful appearance and improved overall well-being.